Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Audio channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to change Twitch password on mobile for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, to go to the application that you have been to install it before, click on the Twitch. And after that, you can see there is a have the symbol in the upper of the left corner here. Click on here, click on the symbol of the upper of the left corner. Next, you can go to the account settings. The next step, go to the security and privacy. There is so many options here, but you choose the password here. Click on the password. Okay. You can click the current password. It means your password immediately. And type about your new password. And after that, you can type again for the confirm your new password. Okay, fix it. You have a strong password. And if you down to type about your new password, confirm new password, and about the current password, you can click the down in the upper of the right corner. Click done here. And you can see the password is changed. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to be change Twitch password on mobile for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.